Now we'll come to the QASK or QAM. QASK is quadrature amplitude shift keying, or it can also be called quadrature amplitude modulation. Now we will first make a geometrical representation and the distance of QASK signal. So if will consider 16 signal, you can see I have drawn it already. S1, S2, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, S7, S8, S9, S10, S11, S12, then S13, S14, S15 and S16. You can make out like what we have done, the distance between the two is it is distance what we are calculating, D is equal to 2 of 0.1 ES. We'll find out that. So here we will calculate the energy by the formula 1 by 4 A square plus A square plus 9A square plus A square plus A square plus 9A square plus 9A square plus 9A square. So this total it will come to 10A square. So we can make out A is equal to, we can calculate 0.1 E of S root. Let this be first equation. We have already shown D is equal to distance between the two elements is 2A. So we can substitute in this. So D is equal to 2 root 0.1 ES. It will become root 0.4 ES. So let this be equation number second. This will give the distance between two signal points in 16 QASK. In each symbol there are 4 bits. Hence the bit energy are related. ES equal to 4 EB. This is symbol energy, EB is bit energy. So distance will be equal to 0.4 into 4 EB whole root. This will become 1.16 E of B root. Third equation. Now the distance of QPSK we have calculated previously is equal to 2 root EB. So this will be root 4 EB. Let this be fourth equation. The distance in 16 ARI PSK will be given D16 PSK equal to 2 root E sine of pi by 16. So this will be equal to 2 4 EB sine of pi by 16, and this will be as ES is equal to 4 of EB. So this will be 0.15 EB, and this becomes root of 0.6 EB, and the distance, so thus the distance of 16 QASK is greater than 16 RE PSK.